In this video, I'm going to teach a very useful guide on how to enable or disable the USB ports in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So in this video, I'll be teaching you two methods, and the very first method that you can do is press Windows key and R key together, and in that way, you will be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit and hit the Enter key the moment you typed it. And if your user control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can run this window. So here you need to locate for HK underscore local underscore machine, double tap to it, and proceed to the system, double tapped. And under the system, you need to locate for current control set and go with the services. So double tap to it, and here at the services, type U in the keyboard so that you would be redirected eventually to the key that is starting with letter U. Here you need to locate for USB STOR and locate to the center where you can see the start. So double tap to it, and this window is very crucial because if you would like to disable the USB port, all you need to do is you need to set the value data into 4 and click on OK and restart the computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to disable the USB port. And if you would like to enable that again, all you need to do is you need to navigate the same step, and that is you need to go with HK underscore local underscore machine, locate with the system, go with the current control set, click on the services, and go with USB STOR. And from here, set the value data into 3 under the start value and close all of the windows. So we just have to close all of this one. Close this as well and restart the machine, and you will be able to enable the USB port again. Another step that you can do is press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run again. Here, please type for gpedit .msc and click on OK to continue or Enter key. So from here, you will be able to bring up a small window like this. All you need to do is you need to adjust the first row so that you can see the name clearly. Locate with administrative templates and click on this forward arrow and locate for system. Click on this forward arrow again, and under the system, you need to proceed here in the side. Okay, and you need to locate for the removable storage access. Double tap to it, and under your removable storage access, you need to locate for three settings which are removable disk under deny execute access and deny read access and deny write access. In order to disable your USB port, all you need to do is you need to make a right click, go with edit, and set it into enabled. Once you're good, click on apply and proceed to the second. Make a right click, go with edit, and proceed to enable and click on apply, and proceed to the third. Make a right click, go with edit, enabled, apply, and once you're good, you would be able to disable the USB port. And if you would like to enable it again, just do the same, make a right click, go with edit, and go with enabled and apply. Sorry, not configured, and go with apply. And once you've set it, apply on to the last two setting, okay, which is this one, and close the window, and you would be able to enable the USB port again. Okay, so those are the simple steps on how to enable or disable the USB ports in Windows 11 PC or laptop. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching this video and have a good day.